Most EV owners charge their vehicles overnight, taking advantage of lower electricity rates. This means you wake up every morning with a full tank, ready to go, and you're paying just a fraction of what you'd spend on gasoline. Over the course of a year, these savings really add up, often amounting to thousands of dollars. And that's just the beginning. Let's talk about maintenance, because that's where EVs really shine. Gasoline engines are complex machines with hundreds of moving parts. They need regular oil changes, new spark plugs, timing belts, exhaust system repairs, and more. Each of these services costs money and takes time out of your day. Electric vehicles, on the other hand, are much simpler under the hood. There's no oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, and no exhaust system to worry about. Fewer moving parts means fewer things that can break down or wear out. For most EV owners, routine maintenance comes down to just a few basics: tires, brakes, and windshield wipers. That's it. No more surprise trips to the mechanic for engine trouble or transmission issues. Plus, thanks to regenerative braking, a feature unique to EVs, your brake pads last much longer than they would in a traditional car. This means even fewer replacements and more money saved over time. All of this adds up to fewer trips to the mechanic, less time spent waiting for repairs, and more money staying in your pocket where it belongs. The savings with an EV are real, tangible, and they add up fast, giving you more financial freedom and peace of mind every time you hit the road.